Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I just noticed on our Vicidial installation right now, especially if you are using 3.9 version SVN to latest, you are seeing this error message. So you are seeing this error message or warning. It's not an error, it's a false warning. That cause you some they ask some alert or what happening to their dialer or what is this error message. Okay, so to resolve this kind of message in your uh, dialer, so we need to take a look. So most likely this one is a kind of there is no issue on our asterisk part, only this one issue is on the pj zip because of the it was on pj zip. So to resolve this one, so we need to remove this one and replace with our server IP. Okay, so to manage this one, you need to exit on your from here. So IP add. Okay, gonna clear first this error. Okay, and then I need to get my IP first. So this is my IP. So as you can see, and then you need to go. You need to look the pjzip.com. Okay, so for editor, you need to I'm using nano or what editor you are using. You can use vi, vim, nano, etc. Okay, so h asterisk then pjzip. You can take a look the pjzip.com. Okay, as you can see here, okay, you will see this external signaling address and external media address. Okay, so you can replace this one. Okay, replace this one with the original IP or domain or the domain name of your dialer. So for now, we're gonna use the IP address. Okay. Okay, so after that, you need to save Control O and then press enter. Then to exit this part, Control X. Okay, then you need to go back to your asterisk CLI. And then you need to do reload. And then do pgzip reload. Okay, so let's check if we can still see that error. So for the meantime, we need to wait until 1 to 2 minutes. If our asterisk it will refresh. So you're gonna see here once the cron gonna refresh the. So as you can see that you cannot see any error now. It's very clean. So you cannot see the this kind of error. Okay. So this one is a normal. So it's 77. Yeah, I just try to add that. So mention the error. So as you can see, it's now it's very clean. So there is no any error about this warning and error. Okay. So hope you are following and checking our video. So once again, this is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation configuration for some open source applications. So once again, don't forget to give some like, share, and also subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're always updated on our latest video. Okay guys, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.